Eligible educators and faculty members at colleges, universities, community colleges, polytechnics, and secondary schools can access Microsoft ready-to-teach curriculum and teaching materials aligned to industry-recognized Microsoft certifications. No matter what the job or industry, employers expect interns and recent graduates will arrive on their first day with the digital capabilities necessary to work in a modern, often hybrid or remote working environment. While digital skills are a start, students need technical skills and industry-recognized technical certifications, like those from Microsoft, to stand out and to be able to capitalize on future opportunities. Microsoft Fundamentals curriculum prepares the students for the certification exam. It provides foundational level knowledge of Microsoft Cloud and business application services, including data, AI, machine learning, and security. Fundamental curricula are ideal for all students given the increasingly digital and technical nature of all jobs. Microsoft Learn for Educators ensures that faculty have access to the full catalog of fundamentals to prepare students for the certification exams. For students who are starting to think about a career in technology, Microsoft Advanced Role-Based Curricula prepares students for the certification exam and provides associate level knowledge of Microsoft Cloud and business application services. They are ideal for students looking to begin learning valuable job role skills and earn their first associate level certification. Our growing catalog of Microsoft Advanced Role-Based Curriculum and teaching materials include Microsoft Azure Administrator, designing and implementing a Microsoft Azure AI solution, and Microsoft Azure Security Technologies, analyzing data with Microsoft Power BI, and designing and implementing an Azure Data Science solution on Azure. Check out our program page at aka.ms/MSLE for the latest updates. Once you've selected the topic you're interested in teaching and you've applied to be a part of the Microsoft Learn for Educators program, you will have access to curriculum, training, and tools for teaching. As a part of the program, a comprehensive set of materials makes up our curriculum. The course data sheet is an in-depth reference if you're wanting to get a good sense of the course. It provides you with a course description, information about the intended audience, the learning objectives, details about how the course maps to the certification exam, talks about the ways in which you might think about delivering the materials, recommended instructor preparation, as well as a detailed table of the content included in the course materials, detailed timing, and a link to the aligned segments of the online training on Microsoft Learn. Next, we provide you with the Trainer Handbook. This is the detailed guide for teaching that is used by Microsoft technical trainers and learning partners around the globe to prepare to teach these materials to IT professionals in business settings. To supplement that, we've created an educator teaching guide. This is a guide for faculty who implement the course in academic settings. It includes detailed explanations of the course materials, technical requirements, and setup. It also includes recommended resources for preparing for the certification exam, accommodating students, and remote teaching. The PowerPoint files are the ready-to-teach slides that you will use to deliver the content in your classes. The assessment guide provides guidance on the development of formative as well as summative assessments for your students. Lab instructions contain examples for educators to demo with students. One of the most important decisions that you will make as you start making a plan for building your students' technical skills with curriculum and educational materials provided by Microsoft is how you'll implement the lessons as well as the certification exam. We know there are a number of dimensions to consider, and so we've created a learning path to help you with implementing certifications in academic programs. Through the learning path, you'll learn how to implement Microsoft certifications in new or existing academic degree programs. You'll be introduced to different approaches for implementing certification at the course and the program level, and the benefits it offers students. A real-life case study and contextualized examples are used throughout the learning path to take you through a complete cycle of designing a new technical degree program that implements certification. Check out this learning path at aka.ms/implementationlp. At Microsoft, our mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. That means we are working to reach every student, every faculty member, and every institution. We ensure that our fundamentals and advanced role-based curriculum, teaching materials, and learning paths and certification exams are not only available in multiple languages, but also work with our assistive technologies. In our virtual educator prep sessions, you will learn tips and tricks from our Microsoft technical trainers on how to make your class more accessible. And for the most up-to-date list of languages in which our materials are available, please visit aka.ms/MSLE.